People are poised and ready to take advantage of what we're about to see over the course of the next 3 or 4 days ahead of the Binance burn announcement. We can see money is being moved into Binance, ready to purchase Luna Classic in order to make some insane gains, and we need to make sure we are ready also to capitalize on. I'm going to talk about it in this video and everything else that you need to know ahead of those Binance announcements coming next week. So do me a favor, hit the like button. Let's see how many likes we can get on this video, and let's dive straight into this. So right now, as of the time of recording this video, 2755 is the current price of Luna Classic, down 1.47%. Now we are seeing a pretty strong run on XRP, as that case looks like it could be coming to an end. We're seeing over a 10% gain right now, so we are seeing a little bit of money move out of Luna Classic. But the big question on everybody's mind is, how much are we going to see in terms of a burn, and equally, what is the best player? And we can see quite safely that lots of people, lots of money is flowing into BUSD, ready to pick up this purchase. So you can see here currently $160.3 million worth of volume on the spot margin, on the spot trades just on today. Equally, we can see USDT, it's got about 58 million going through it as well. So our volume is down. Again, it's just trending very much sideways. If we take a look at the Luna chart, we can see it is just moving sideways, and we have been moving sideways on the 1 hour chart for quite a while. We saw this pump here on the 28th, which was yesterday, from that kind of bottom end of the 26s all the way up to where we are now, trading around the 27s, and then just continuing sideways. Again, another indicator that people are just waiting till we see the news. Now, you might be asking yourselves, well, how do you know people are getting ready? Well, we can come over to the BUSD pairing, and we can see that money flow is coming in to this pairing. So Binance USD, we are seeing a significant increase, what we haven't seen for a long time. We're well above a lot of back in, early September. 22nd is roughly where we're about the same sort of volume of money going in. So BUSD right now certainly starting to see a big amount of money coming in. Again, you can see the volume on this trading pair significantly higher than it has been. So we can say that BUSD is certainly being loaded up, and people are certainly getting ready for capitalize on it. We expect to see a relatively strong number given the volume we've gone through over the last 7 days, and I think that will be the catalyst to see some other big money. So we would be foolish to not think that people with big money, equally big institutional money, are all sat waiting to see what happens with this Binance burn, and equally what is going to come out of the back of it. It's going to be one of those things where we will see, like I said, I did a video about this the other day, I think we'll see a pretty sharp amount burn. Remember, this is a buyback and burn as well. This isn't just a protocol generated burn. This is, they are going to buy Luna Classic and they are going to send it to the burn address. Now we can obviously go over and check what we're getting in terms of those burns. Now we know the 1.2% burn is continuing. We can go to the top burners and we can see it is significantly now above the Lunatics token by some way, in fairness, and it continues to go. Now again, volume is our friend when we talk about burns. You can see the 1.2% burn tax at 2.5 billion Luna Classic tokens burn. Lunatics token at 2.1. Mexi over a billion as well. So we can see there is still some good amount of burns coming in. So even the community are still sending some of these over. You can see, look, KuCoin users unknown from the Facebook group. We've then got a burn wallet sending over 50,000. So we're not seeing quite as many in terms of those big burns. Obviously, they are linked into that burn 1.2% burn tax. So, but still some really strong numbers coming through for Luna Classic. Equally, we can take a look at some of the hot wallets. Binance hot wallet, for example. Now, we all wanted this to kind of empty and certainly take a decline. We've seen this kind of level sideways. Again, we are seeing people trade it. We are seeing money moving back into Binance. So that tells me people are building. They are ready to purchase. And I think we're going to see some pretty aggressive price movement over the course of the coming next sort of 72 hours as we head into that announcement for the first week of the burns. Remember, they're not actually going to burn those. It's just going to give us an indication. And I think what we could do then is really build going into that the next week, and really start to see some insane burns. So we need to be ready to make sure we capitalize as well as everyone else. But it's exciting to really see what we could double, triple, maybe even 4x our total amount burnt in just 1 week from those Binance moves. And then I think we start to see what our hard work on Twitter is doing. We start to see, will Coinbase relist it? Does KuCoin move? Does Gate.io, especially when we see see volume going in it, it's going to be pretty interesting. So if that's something you're excited for, don't forget to leave a like on the video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I appreciate all the support, and I will catch you guys in the next video.